Video na. Video na. Bisa sa
Ha?
Oh, ito ang girl.
Asa itong napupot sa koan? Sa CNC ko lang criteria. Paling mapuputan din sa table test. Welcome everyone to Digitoro and CNC Kalang Contest. Today, we'll be showcasing creative videos created by our talented participants. They've taken complex science topics and transformed them into engaging and informative visual experiences. Get ready to learn, be inspired.
And the success of any competition relies on the fairness and expertise of each judges. And we are truly fortunate to have a distinguished panel with us today. To properly introduce these esteemed individuals, I would like to invite Mrs. Marley Arnejo to the stage. Ma'am, the honor is all yours. Okay, to introduce the judges for Siete Cola, Mrs. Maricel Ligata. Mrs. Maricel Ligata, a round of applause please.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. So I am assigned to introduce the judges for Ciencia Cola. Okay, our first judge, he is a man of his word and currently a head teacher tree of Kabalawan Elementary School. Please help me welcome Mr. Jason Armotia. A round of applause, please. Okay, our second judge, she is a strong, independent woman and currently a head teacher of TIC or teacher in charge of Nicoyan Elementary School. Please help me welcome Mrs. Vivian Struthers. A round of applause, please. Our third judge and the chairman of the board of judges, she is a woman of few words and currently a principal one of Malacao Elementary School. Please help me welcome Mrs. Jennifer Durano. A round of applause, please.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And to read the mechanics for Ciencia Cola, may I call in Mrs. May I call in Mrs. Arlene Milan? A round of applause, please. A pleasant afternoon to all. Today we celebrate not only the scientific knowledge but also the creativity, communication, and innovation through the exciting categories which is the Ciencia Cola and the Digitoro. Okay, these are the criteria for judging. Engagement, the indicator is engagement. Possess elements that can captive and make the viewers interested in the videos. It has a wow factor which is 20 points. Illumination, the video was able to fully explain, providing depth and breadth of the topic and content and made it easy to understand. It has a comprehensive citation of references that is 40%. Next, we have the creativity. The video provided inventive and seamless approaches that can be used to teach the subject matter, which is 30 points. Difficulty, the extent of the discussion was made at an advanced level with specific details and examples, which is 10 points. So the total points of 100 points. So to all the young scientists and Good luck, and may this event ignite even more curiosity and love for science. Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that we have. Let's start the contest.